And that means spring cleaning, of course, everyone's favorite activity, which is a must this year considering we're all at home all of the time. But did you know that spring cleaning also applies to your clothes? It's actually super refreshing to get rid of things. So first, run your hands and eyes over everything in your closet and just see what jumps out at you. It's just not that fabulous anymore, it's boring or ugly, and just dump those things in the pile and don't even think twice. Next, follow the 1-year rule. If something wasn't good enough to wear for an entire year, what makes you think this year will be any different? Also, take note of pieces in your closet that immediately bring up old memories. Maybe you wore something on a date, or it's something you used to wear with an ex-boyfriend, or to a job that you don't have anymore, or it just reminds you of a bad experience you had while you wore that piece of clothing, and throw those in the donate pile as well. There's no time like the present, and you will definitely feel like you're actually closing that chapter of your life, and that will feel amazing. Okay, time to get rid of basics. I mean, how many faded white tank tops do you really need? Bye-bye! I don't know about you, but often when a tank top stops being fun or exciting to me, it gets put in the category of working out, sleeping, and chilling. But after a certain point, if something just isn't exciting anymore, then why am I even letting them take up precious drawer space? Plus, we should still feel happy in our casual, relaxing clothes too, right? What about that strap that broke or that button that popped off? Have you fixed those items and are you actually planning on doing it? If so, then now is the perfect time to get out the needle and thread and get to work so they can hang back up where they belong. If, on the other hand, those items have been sitting in the fix-it pile for way too long, then are they really worth fixing? If not, say goodbye. I hope that you have a nice yellow donate bin in your downstairs building garage like I do, but if not, then simply put everything in a bag and set aside for when you are able to go out again and donate to Goodwill or the Salvation Army or a local charity that could really use the clothes. Now go, you have some cleaning to do.